In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outdent in Smartsheet. Outdenting is really useful when you're working with hierarchical data, like tasks and subtasks in a project plan. If you've indented something by mistake, or you simply need to move a row back to a higher level in your hierarchy, the outdent feature is what you'll use. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can do this confidently on your own. First, make sure you have your Smartsheet open in grid view where you can see your rows and columns clearly. Look at the rows that you want to move one level up in the hierarchy. These are usually indented under a parent row, which you can recognize by the way they're visually shifted to the right. To start, click on the row number on the left side of the sheet to highlight the row you want to outdent. If you need to outdent more than one row at the same time, click and drag down through multiple row numbers, or hold down the Shift key and select the first and last row in a range. You should see all of those rows highlighted, showing that they're selected and ready for formatting changes. Once your rows are selected, look towards the top of the Smartsheet window in the toolbar. There, you'll see two small arrow icons, usually pointing left and right. The right arrow is used for indenting, while the left arrow is used for outdenting. We're interested in the left pointing arrow, the outdent icon. Go ahead and click on the outdent icon. As soon as you do this, the selected rows will shift slightly to the left, moving one level up in your hierarchy. If those rows were previously subtasks under a parent row, they may now become sibling tasks or even top-level tasks, depending on how your sheet is structured. If the rows still look too far indented, you can click the outdent icon again to move them another level to the left. Just remember that outdenting only moves them one level at a time, so you may need to repeat the action until they sit exactly where you want them. That's all there is to it. By selecting your rows first and then using the outdent icon in the toolbar, you can quickly adjust the structure of your Smartsheet to reflect the right